Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make delicious stuffed bell peppers. There's nothing quite like a delicious stuffed bell pepper with that meat and rice and cheese inside. It's so good. Everyone has a little bit different of a way of making theirs, and today I'm going to show you how to make mine. Start by preheating an oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and lightly grease a 9x13 pan. Then you'll need 6 bell peppers, and I like to choose ones that can stand up on their own. And you can use all the same color or all different colors, whatever works for you. Then you'll want to just slice off the tops and remove all of the seeds from the inside. Then you'll be left with a little bowl. Set those aside and let's head on over to the stove and cook up some ground beef. Add 3/4 to 1 pound of lean ground beef into a large skillet over medium-high heat, and also add in 1 diced onion. We'll saute this all together until the ground beef is browned. It'll take about 5 to 7 minutes to brown the beef and get those onions to start to turn translucent. Don't worry about cooking the beef all the way through because this is going to finish baking in the oven. Then add in 3 cloves of minced garlic and let this saute for about 1 minute. Now I'm using a lean ground beef, so there's no need to drain this, but if you aren't, then you'll need to drain off any excess fats or liquids. Then we're going to remove this from the heat and pour in 1 drained 15-ounce can of diced tomatoes, 1 cup of cooked white rice, and that can be leftover rice or you can cook it up while you're cooking your ground beef. You can also just use minute rice, it really doesn't matter. Then we'll add in 1 cup of frozen corn. It's kind of stuck to the bowl a little bit there. A tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and finally 1 cup of shredded pepper jack cheese. Stir this all together. This will be our stuffing for our bell peppers. Next, place our bell peppers into our prepared 9x13 pan. This is where it really helps if they can stand up on their own, so make sure you look for those flat-bottomed bell peppers. Then we'll take spoonfuls of our stuffing and stuff each bell pepper full. I like to stuff each bell pepper as full as I possibly can. Then we're going to take some more pepper jack cheese, sprinkle it right on top of each bell pepper. Depending on the size of your bell peppers, you may or may not end up with a little bit extra filling. The good news is that filling's pretty tasty on its own. Next, we're going to bake this in the 350-degree oven for about 30 minutes. The cheese will be all bubbly and browned, and the bell peppers will be softened, and you are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos, where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later.